I'm Ben Turner and I'm currently studying Level 3 Computing in Cross Keys, Coleg Gwent. I chose computing because I did it in year 10 and 11 and I seemed to really enjoy it, so I thought I'd pursue it in college then. There's a lot of variety on this course, so you can go into like web development, software development, cybersecurity. On this course we do an Amazon project. We also have workshops, so it gives us like a little insight of what to expect in this project. This year we're doing cyberbullying, so we get put into a group of 6 or 7 and then we have to meet a deadline to come up with an idea to sort of combat cyberbullying, obviously using our experience through IT and computing as well, and involve that in the project. And then we finally present it, 15-minute talk and then a 5-minute reflection of what you've learned throughout this project then. Yeah, I've learned a lot of skills through this Amazon project. I think the main one is like building your confidence, because if you asked me to present in front of 100 people for 15 minutes, I'd probably say no, but we did this last year and I know I can do it. I'm hopeful to study cybersecurity in university, possibly down in Newport or Cardiff. Yeah, I would recommend computing, as there's a lot of variety, there's a lot of options and career paths you can go down.